Give us that little dance again.
We're trekking through the rainforest today.
I know, right? They're really loud. Oh, the train is really loud. Pull it off, don't they?
It's squeaky. This is Costa Rica.
Banana plantation in order to show you a couple of towns, right? Yeah, along the way. Sleeping, I would say, Calder's monkeys used to be in troops from, well, the capital to Chile. We're gonna have to try good chances at the national park, probably to be able to see some of these guys.
Cocoa beans.
Oh yeah, and those trees over there, cocoa trees. And when they are orange, it's the time that they are ripe. So you cut them, they're gonna be about like 40 seeds on it. Okay, oh yeah, but that's a little tiny one. They can get a kind of orange ones. It will be something like this. Well, we can get some of this.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna grab.
Smells chocolate.
It's dark chocolate.
Okay, madam, are you okay? Okay. Yeah, it's kind of sour and it's
Nailed it.
I think
Nailed it.
And from chicken. Hey guys, welcome to our vlog today. What we're going to do is
on an animal in, let's say, in any part of the world, there's one that is kind of a limb, let's say, that they can be like that, hanging on by the 2 feet, and it could be so extremely windy, living on its hair. But here comes something interesting about, unless it was a broken branch, let's say, that
So many monkeys. We've got a full troop.
Okay, one of the most common holistic drugstore fruits that you're gonna find, noni. N-O-N-I.
Oh, noni, okay.
Is
yeah,
that-
they make it for tonic. You can drink.
Yeah, but the funny thing is that when it's ripe, it smells like vomit.
should have committed to more.
You should have committed more.
And there's that jungle behind us. This is where it's in.
Ah, yeah, there's the Costa.
So that's the opening, and then you've got all that just like the one in my room. And then obviously it's just been working in one of them. It's me and L6
That's fine. What are you guys eating?
Yeah, this is the king, I would say, of Calypso, definitely, in honor of him. Oh yeah, I'll be here in the country. What you're saying is that for just $1, you're gonna get, let's say, about like, yeah, you can get about like 20 singles minutes.
20 bananas.
Yeah, like $10 in areas.
But it's good at least for people getting bananas, getting fish.
Yeah, oh
A
yeah,
bunch of things is very cheap.
oh yeah, I'll be here.
Here the people aren't hungry so much like.
You've not flared your nostrils as much as I thought you would have. You've not flared your nostrils.
Seafood, obviously, wherever you go, it's gonna be fresh seafood, and it's really, really good. Maduritos, that would be right.
what it is.
Right?
Yeah, like well right.
Because it
Madurito.
says zero trans fats.
No, let's say that's that.
Sorry, I don't know why that happened. Thank you. Sweet.
Banana ring.
Beverly Hills.
I don't know what normal
Money, no money.
No money here.
So Beverly. No here.
Your nostrils haven't flared this time.
And let's see if it goes.
El macho.
Okay, that's the example of the way they perform their singings. Guys, would you like to do a favor? Now it's really complicated to spot turtles in this particular canal. But it has a smiley head face. Left, there's a sloth, and then at the left, there's.
Is that a sloth you just had on?
Yes, sir.
Oh. something right here. Right there.
He's gone under.
There you can see him swimming.
Ah, awesome for the picture. That's why I did it.
Where did it go?
It's over there, sir. Okay. Okay, over here. Okay, this is its body.
Huh? 4
Uh,
feet maybe?
yeah, kinda. In Costa Rica, you're gonna get crocodiles and caimans. A big crocodile, it can get about 18 feet, like 6 meters. Caimans, they don't grow that much. It will be about like 6 feet, like 2 meters. Even though that, they're aggressive, and when they bite, the pressure of that bite will be enormous. No, you haven't tried.
So that's banana.
That kind of banana?
That's what bananas are like.
Well, not
before.
this particular one. I'm gonna give
Wild.
Chocolate shop. They have cocoa.
It's not ripe, so it's not gonna be as sweet as the typical ones. But over
I have no
here
idea.
on a single fruit,
Whole chocolate plant. We said it wasn't a vegetable.
up there and yeah, and in order for 1991 was over here, but because of the earthquake, stored a little bit.
It's over
This is
100 years old.
the oldest one from the Catholic Church that was, let's say, that survived. It was on its 4th voyage, Christopher Columbus reached to that island.
Oh, if you don't mind.
Sorry.
From the Georgie will make the fire light.
Oh, there's our
Like
schedule
we're
there.
burning through the night. Then we will cook cornmeal porridge.
Hey, mate, yours.
I think I share with you. Bye bye. Thank you. My feet is my only courage.
Have a nice trip back to home. Thank you for your
So
visit.
I got to push on through. And that is why everything you do